Stop for a moment. What if this hardship you are in was never meant to break you, but to build you? You keep asking, why me? But what if Allah chose you because He knows your heart can handle what others cannot? If Allah brings you to it, He will bring you through it. This isn't just a quote, it's a divine reality. Every storm you face was measured by Allah. Every tear, every trial, wait with wisdom. You see pain, Allah sees purification. You see delay, Allah sees perfect timing. There are moments when your heart whispers, I can't do this anymore, but Allah gently responds, yes, you can, I am with you. You don't need to understand the why right now. You just need to trust the one who never makes mistake. Sometimes Allah removes things not to punish you, but to redirect you toward something far better. Pain is not a sign of Allah's absence. It's a sign that your soul is being reshaped for something higher. The same Lord who brought you here will guide you through this valley and lift you to a higher mountain. Remember this, ease is not the absence of struggle, it's the presence of Allah within your struggle. Every wound that brought you closer to Allah was never a loss, it was a guidance in disguise. Your situation didn't come to destroy your faith, it came to deepen it. You prayed for strength, so Allah gave you a challenge. You asked for patience, so He gave you time to wait. That's how Allah works. He answers through experience, not through ease. So stop seeing this moment as punishment, see it as preparation. Because what's coming next is exactly what you prayed for, just not in the way you expected. Hold on to this truth. You are never alone in your test. The one who chose it for you is carrying you through it. Allah says in the Quran, indeed, with hardship comes ease. So breathe, trust, and keep walking because if Allah brought you to it, He will surely bring you through it.